Hello, folks. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy New Year to you. You're going to have a great 2018, and I'm going to help you. If you have any kind of online business, what I've got in store for you in 2018 can help you master your online business success. So let me show you what I've been doing in the lab here. Here's my blueprint, and I'm going to be training on this and actually going into step-by-step detail on what I did to build this blueprint for mastermindwebinars.com. You can see mastermindwebinars.com funnel blueprint. I'm going to go through every single step, what this bold borders mean, and all of these steps that I'm doing here and building into the funnel. And again, I'm building everything with ClickFunnels, and I also use for CRM and activity tracking once a lead becomes, a prospect for coaching or private coaching or something like that. It gets transferred over into a different CRM program. But I'll be training on all of that. I'm first going to be training you on how I built the mastermindwebinars.com funnel. The capture pages, the sales pages, the free training pages, the members back office. That's one of the things I wanted to tell you. I am working on a members back office. It should be launching in the next, I think I need another week on it because I got some videos to do. And then I'm going to be letting everyone know, if you're in my list here, if you've added your email in here and went through the steps, you will have access to this free membership, okay? And it's going to be jam-packed with stuff organized properly in the way that you need to go through it. And you'll be able to have access to it anytime you want, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And this will be the free membership. I'm also going to have a private coaching program that is going to be a lot more intense of my time, where there's going to be a lot more live webinars. I will be announcing that probably towards the end of January, okay? But this site, this membership section should be available for you. Let me see what we got here on the calendar. I'm going to need next week with all the other stuff I'm doing, and you'll see one of the things I'm doing when you get a chance. I'll put the link down in the email here. Go to this one here that I put up today and look at how I'm doubling the email open and click-through rates of warm market emails with cold market, okay? I go through and show you what I'm doing as far as what the results I'm getting, and I'm going to be doing a training on that very, very soon that will be in the back of this free members area, okay? So again, you got to opt in here in order to get access to this, and there's 4 steps I want you to take, which is whitelisting our email and some other steps that I want you to take prior to getting in here. So take those. Once I go live with the members back office, it'll go from this page then to the registration form. And right now, do not register at all. I'm literally going to just block that URL. I don't want anybody to see that. But the registration form, because I'll knock you out, but I'm going to block it anyway so you won't see it. But the registration form will be where you add your username and password, and then you will be a member, and you'll be able to come back in here, look at all the different marketing training, sales funnel training, and other training that I'm going to put back here, tools training, all of that good stuff to help you really, really get successful online. Again, I've been doing this for 20 years. I built sales funnels online before anybody even knew what they were, even knew they were sales funnel. I didn't even know they were sales funnel. It just made sense to me. The fact that I was, at first when I built online, I just built a website and I sent pay-per-click traffic to that website, and I was killing it, right? I was getting good sales. I didn't know anything about a sales funnel, didn't think I needed to capture anybody's information. There wasn't remarketing, none of that stuff, and I was doing well. As competition came into that niche, then I didn't do as well, okay? And all of a sudden, I'm like, okay, wait a minute. I got competition. More and more businesses are coming into my niche. What do? Maybe I create a finder, and they have to put all their information in, and then I show them what I have available, and then I pass that lead to a Salesforce. Well, in 1 year we did close to, I think, 6 or 7 million in that business. And at one time I had 45 people working and 20 salespeople and multiple managers in a call center. And it was crazy. And I put up an opt-in form where I was collecting more data. I was collecting their first name, last name, email, phone number, all of that information. And then I was showing them what I had available. And that was, I think, in the early 2000s that I started doing that. And I've been online since the internet started, and I've been doing business online since 96 when 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗘𝗘 got started. And, again, I started out with a regular website, and then all of a sudden all this competition came in, and it was crushing me. And, I haven't always been able to make money online. I lost money online, and I made, tens of millions of dollars in sales online. But I've learned from the school of hard knocks, over 60,000 hours in my trade. And this year I've made a lot of time, besides the companies that I'm involved in, I'm partners with, I've got clients. I've put aside some of my time this year to really work on building out this membership because I really want to help a lot of people. And again, I'm going to have a free membership that's going to have a lot of value. And then I'm going to have a mastermind group coaching program that, will be reasonable. It's not going to be very real expensive. It's going to be very reasonable. And I'm only going to take on, about 100 people at a time with my team. There'll be a lot of live webinars. There'll be accountability. There'll be project management, teaching you how to do project management. The goal of that whole thing is to get your sales funnel up, or your multiple funnels, whether it's a webinar funnel or a sales funnel, whatever, up. Get your blueprint done, get your funnel up, get your value. First thing is find out who your dream customers are, right, and where they're hanging out. Then we got to build your value ladder. What are you giving? Like here, you look. What am I giving away for free for people to come in? Well, I'm going to be giving away a free membership. This is the homepage, right here, the homepage. And then this is what happens. It gets into Facebook on a pixel on the page. I start following them around with remarketing. Then they opt in. This is what happens. This is all action funnels. This is all action funnels here. Okay. And I'm going to get into detail. I'm getting ready. As soon as I get this funnel up and finalized, I'm then going to go through and do video training and show you how I built it. Every single aspect of it, from Facebook to the action funnels, to the email autoresponders, to any SMS text messaging. I mean, with ClickFunnels, I can put anything in there. And I have a link to my ClickFunnels right here, my 14-day free trial here. And when you do sign up through my affiliate link, you get extra perks from me personally, okay? Extra webinars, extra Q&A webinars, and a lot of other perks when you get involved, if you decide you want to. After, you got to have some kind of system, and WordPress isn't going to do it for you. It does it for you for the blog like I have here, so you can syndicate your information out on social media like Twitter and Facebook and all of that. And I'm going to be a lot more active in Facebook and Twitter, Instagram. I'm right now interviewing mastermind trainers for each one of these categories that will be doing webinars that will be in the free membership section. And also, of course, they'll have paid courses, but the value they're going to give for free is going to be tremendous, okay? But I am right now looking at people that are experts in YouTube, experts in LinkedIn, experts in Twitter, experts in Facebook, not experts in them all, experts in one of them. And they are going to be coming aboard and become mastermind trainers for mastermindwebinars.com. And they're going to be delivering the goods. I mean, because on top of that, they're going to be handling the mastermind webinars assets, both on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Okay, so besides their own assets. So this is very exciting where it's headed. And again, I have allotted the time for 2018. I did not have it in 2017 like I wanted, because I've got a lot of stuff going on. I had to rebuild out this whole entire site. It's a client of mine for now 18 months. I had to rebuild and take off. And when I say me, my team and me, had to rebuild this whole site, had to rebuild this shopping cart site and build the main blogging site here. I think I have it open already here, and move it off its technology and put it onto new affiliate technology. So it was a lot of work. Good thing about it, it's all done now. It's off my back, and I can take that time, and I'm not going to take on any additional clients. I'm only going to do what I'm doing here in the Mastermind Webinars program, besides my own businesses and, clients that I already have. I'm not going to take on any additional ones in order to open up what I want to do in Mastermind Webinars. Again, I will have the Mastermind group. There will be some paid training, but the free training is going to be phenomenal. You will not find it anywhere else, and it's going to help you. And that's my goal. I want to help you. I want you to get profitable online where you're making money, okay? And where you're generating leads and you're recovering your money by generating leads, and then you're working those leads, and that's where you're making your profit. You're going to learn everything that I'm doing, not only with the Mastermind Webinars, but I've got funnels going on in the wellness industry that I'm going to be showing you that I built, and they're getting ready to be, one of them is getting ready to be marketed. They're just finishing the final name. It was one thing, and now they wanted another, and so I'm letting them finish that up. But as far as building the funnel, it's ready to go. And then I've got some other opt-in stuff going on. But you're going to see everything I did back here to build Mastermind Webinars. You're going to see everything back here, and I'm going to teach you a lot of information. So again, a lot of information that's not a bunch of BS and fluff. I'm talking about straight step-by-step things to get it done. I mean, right now, this is my project management system. And these are projects that are active, starred. These are the main ones I'm working on. 21 active, 58 archived. I've been in this system since 2013. And before that, I was in Basecamp. And this is called Teamwork. Also, I'm going to be doing a training on it. And you can see I got a lot of stuff going on. Okay. And right now, the people I've got in here, a lot of people. I don't want to give all their emails and stuff, but a lot of information, a lot of things going on. Everything I do, I project manage, and I'm going to be teaching that in the Mastermind Webinars too, because that's the difference between doing 3 times as much stuff. That I can go into a company and do 3 times to 4 times what they can do in a year with the same team, based on project management, task management, milestones, and things like that. And I'm going to be teaching you, I do it every day, I'm going to be teaching you how to do it. It's very important, no matter if you have 2 people on your team or it's just you. I put my task management, like here, let me go into Mastermind Webinars. Okay, I'm adding stuff that I got to do. Okay, I'm adding stuff that I got to do. I got my designer doing something. I keep track of everything that I'm doing. I'm not going to show you these other projects because they're partner companies and they're clients, and that's not right. But, again, I'm building another project that's going to be really cool after I get Mastermind Webinars where I want it, which will be also something that'll be a value add-on. I'm not going to talk about it yet, but it's going to be really, really cool too. And I already have it as a project in here, got everything laid out that I need to do. So project management is really important, okay? So, again, I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to put the link into you just go to mastermindwebinars.com, add your email address, get in there, and then follow the 4 steps, and then get ready, because as soon as I see you, I'm going to announce it in my group. I'm going to announce it in my email list to all of my Mastermind Webinar registered people, and I'm going to open up the free membership. And again, I think I'll be able to accomplish that. I should be able to finish up everything next week. Worst case scenario, probably in the mid of the following week. Okay? Just got to make sure I test everything. There's a lot of things going on here, and I'm going to go through every single one of them and explain them to you. I mean, I'm literally going to explain to you the funnel you're in. Okay, let me get a little water here. My mouth's a little dry. Sorry about that. Sometimes I forget to take a breath and talk a little too fast. Sorry about that. But I'm going to explain to you all of the things I'm doing and building in the mastermind webinars. There's not going to be no fear of loss and urgency. I am just going to tell you the truth, okay? And the reason I'm not going to take a lot of people in the paid program is because I want to help them, right? And I've got me and my team, and we only have so much time, and I want to make sure that I can get as many of them that want to succeed succeeding. And then I'll take the next group, okay? So there's a lot of things I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be explaining every single thing, showing you exactly what I'm doing so that you can implement it into your company. Also, again, I will be showing you a wellness-related funnel so that if you're in the wellness industry, you'll be able to do it. But I've got funnels for pretty much anything, and I'm going to show you how to build it. And if you can't build it, you got to find a partner or you got to outsource it. And also, by the way, I'm going to be building a directory in the mastermind webinars. Well, in the other thing that I'm doing that I'm not going to share yet with you, but there's something else that I'm doing that will have a directory of the top sales funnel builders or funnel builders, webinar funnel builders, sales funnel builders in the country, okay? They're all vetted out by me, and they'll be listed there, and they'll be project managed by me. We'll literally have a service for people that do for you funnels that will take care of all of that. We'll project manage it. You'll supply all the copy. We'll consult you on that, all of that. If you don't know how to do the copy, then we have people that know how to do that. But that's coming later. I don't want to talk about that again too much. I want to surprise you later on. I want to get this site up first. Mastermindwebinars.com membership section provides you with massive value that blows your mind, and then I will launch the mastermind group. I don't know. I think I'm going to call it that, and that will be a very limited group based on the amount of people, no more than probably about 100 people. That way, we're going to actually help them get their sales funnels, webinar funnels up online and moving forward via massive live webinars that we're going to be doing. Oh, so I got to save that. Okay, that's something I'm working on. But a lot of values coming in here. So make sure that you just come on over, put your email in, and make sure it's an email that you actually see, and opt in, and I'll keep you updated on everything. It's going to be very exciting. A lot of stuff's going on. And again, I'm going to keep at least a third of my time clean for the mastermind webinars. And a third of my time, believe me, is a lot of stuff. So it's going to be fun. We're going to have a great time. I'm going to teach you all how to master your online business success. And 2018 is going to be the best year of your life. So take care. God bless. Have a wonderful day.